start making Bruni with his eyes. Let's draw 2 circles, kind of far apart from each other, like that. Awesome. Now let's color them in. All right, that's all right. We're gonna make another circle around each one. It's kind of close to the black circle.
But not too close.
Right.
You don't want it so close that it accidentally attaches. Just a tiny bit close. There we go.
Good. And then one more around each one. Big eyes. And then we're going to do his nose. They're just 2 dots. Dot, dot, right in between his eyes. All right, we're going to make his smile. On this side of the eye, we're going to go like this, slow. And when we get to his nose, we're going to curve it up a little bit and then curve it back down around his other eye. Nice. All right, I'm going to put 2 little smile lines right there.
Yeah.
If you want.
You can do it if you want. It doesn't matter.
All right, now I'm going to make, right over his eye, I'm going to make a curve like an eyebrow on each one. And then I'm going to connect it in the middle. All right, now on this side, I'm going to go down around his eye and around his cheek. And stop there. Make his cheek. And then on this side, go around and stop. Leave space for his neck. All right, now we're going to draw a curved line down like this. And then this one on this side, we're going to make it go down and get a little bit closer to that one. So start there and go down and get a little bit closer. That's all right. Let's keep going, right? We can always practice more. Okay, now let's see. Let's make his first foot. Okay, so right here, we're going to make a little curved bump.
Yeah.
And then a bigger one next to it. All right, and we're going to make 4 little toes like this. Bump, 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 bump. All right, now we're going to make his other foot. So let's first make his belly. And then we're going to make his other foot the same way. We're going to make a little curve. And then a bigger curve. And then do bump, 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 bump. About 4 times if you can fit 4 toes on there. All right, now we're gonna make another line here, straight back. That's gonna be the bottom of his tail. All right, and then we're gonna connect this line with the open one. We're gonna go down and over to his foot. There you go. Now, we're going to make his foot on this side, so we're going to go the opposite way. We're going to go one little curve and then a big curve. And then do his toes, bump, 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 bump. Now, all right, we're doing good. Let's see, let's make the other side of his neck. So right over here, we're gonna just make a little line down, right here. So,
Right here?
yep, right there, just go down halfway. All right, now we're gonna make his back. So we're gonna kind of make a little bit of a bump up like that, curve down, and then we're gonna make his tail. So meet all the way down there at the end. And then he's got a little stripe on his belly, so I'm going to go right in between here. And then on the other side of his leg to the tip of his tail. And we're going to make the diamond on his back. So it's going to be like a big V because we just see half of it. So we're going to go down and up for his purple diamond shape. And then on his tail, we're going to do 2 smaller V's. 1, 2. And then you could probably see the little foot on the other side. So right here, I'm going to go bump, 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 bump. So you can see part of it right in between his belly. That's his other back leg on the other side. Yep, there you go. Or well, you could do one more if you want all 4 toes there. All right. I like that yours is a little different. They look like they should be friends. Mine's skinny. Yours is nice and plump. Oh, that's a good idea. All right, now what do we have to do next? Color it. What are you going to use?
Markers or crayons or anything.
Anything with color. Okay, you're going to use markers. I'll use crayons. So you need a purple for the diamonds, right?
Yeah, and if you want, you can pause the video, maybe.
Yeah, we'll fast forward and you can pause it if you need to color it in. And you need light blue and dark blue. All right?
Yep.
Here we go. All right, great work. I love them. They're so cute. Good job, Jackson.